In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RFID cards to your Apple Wallet in 2025. As we continually seek convenience through technology, integrating RFID cards into your Apple Wallet can streamline your activities, from accessing buildings to public transport and more. Let's walk you through this process step by step, ensuring you understand each part clearly. To begin this journey, unlock your iPhone and head straight to your device's settings. You can find the settings icon easily, as it resembles a gray gear. Once you're in, you'll need to scroll down a bit. You'll soon see an option labeled Wallet. Now, the Apple Wallet essentially acts as your digital repository, which is why we need to access it to add our RFID cards. Upon reaching the Wallet section, tap on it to reveal more options. Scroll until you find an option labeled Travel Card. Even if you're not using this specifically for travel, this is where RFID integration happens, as the feature bridges well with different card formats. Next, within the travel card section, there's a search bar that you'll want to direct your attention to. Tap on it and enter RFID. This action helps locate all functionalities related to RFID within the Wallet app. It's a handy way to find exactly what you need without sifting through unrelated options. At this point, you might see a list of available RFID cards compatible with your device or prompts to add new ones. If your card is pre-listed, adding it is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions, but if you need to add a new card, prepare your physical RFID card. Hold it close to the back of your device to read the card's information. The iPhone uses its near-field communication NFC technology to capture the RFID card details seamlessly. As the RFID card data syncs with your phone, a prompt will appear on the screen. Make sure to confirm each step carefully. You might need to verify your identity, usually by using Face ID or Touch ID, to ensure the card links securely to your Apple Wallet. This step is crucial as it encrypts your RFID card information, making it accessible only to you. Once everything is verified, congratulations, you've just successfully added an RFID card to your Apple Wallet. This integration allows you easy access to compatible systems by simply bringing your iPhone close to an RFID reader, much like using contactless payment. Remember to regularly check for software updates. Apple often includes enhancements and bug fixes that ensure compatibility and security for newer card types. So there you have it, a straightforward process to harness the flexibility of Apple Wallet with RFID technology. Enjoy the added convenience and keep exploring the potential of your device.